Jai Gurudev. This is the default screen of Abhyasa app. Abhyasa app will helps to keep the count of pranayams and kriya. Many of you are mentioning the challenges in maintaining the counts. This is exactly where Abhyasa app is designed to help you. The default screen is totally customizable. Suppose your morning sadhana routine consists of, say, doing warm up and you want to do Surya Namaskar during warm up. So you can add Surya Namaskar here. I've already added, but in case it does not appear in your screen, you can go to the list of asanas. There are so many different asanas. As you do more advanced courses, you'll be introduced to different asanas and meditations and chants. Right now, let us say we are doing Surya Namaskar, and say you have only like 5 minutes to warm up. So obviously you cannot have 22 rounds of Surya Namaskar. So you can customize so that you have the counts according to your time requirement. Secondly, the Sudarshan Kriya itself. So Sudarshan Kriya, this is where the beauty of the app lies. You can change the gap between the counts during the pranayam. So for example, here increasing the count gap will increase the duration between the individual counts. And if you do not want to hear the position instructions every time, which is like, let's get ready for the first stage, let's get ready for the second stage, you can turn them off. And another beautiful feature they have is you can customize according to your favorite teacher's voice. Eventually, so far the voices are of Rishijis and advanced teachers. Eventually they will have it for every teachers you may like. Now for the Kriya part, the default option is off. You can switch to on. What this will make, basically it will beep between every cycles, so you don't have to keep the count of Kriya in your mind. You can just be in the rhythm, and whenever there is beep, you can change the cycles. So for the first beep, it is long. So beep means basically the medium cycles, and pre-beeps mean the short cycles. Once you tune the settings, you can save it as a playlist. You can keep the name whichever you want to, and you are ready to go. Another interesting feature here is the sadhana log. So basically it shows you how many minutes you have meditated today. Also it gives a breakdown. Basically the meditation is clubbed into Kriya. That is why it is showing 46 minutes of Kriya plus meditation. Another beauty is you can also see how frequently you have been doing. You can maintain a log and make a point to make yours not to miss a sadhana. Of course, this shows my log. I do not use this app every day. I also have a recorded version of this, so I use that as well sometimes. So sometimes, because the app is not always stable, in case you're not able to use the app, or if it is not stable, it should not hamper your Kriya. So that is the reason I have a backup. So overall, it helps you to basically keep track of your progress, as well as aids you to focus more on your breath and rhythm, so that you are basically focusing on going inward journey than maintaining the count. That's it. Jai Gurudev.